Yo, it's just Mary back at it again. So it's like 11 o'clock right now. I'm about to talk to you when I get in the car because got some life-changing goals right here. So hold up. Alright, hold up. Alright, so look kind of rough. I got my It's Just Mary shirt on. So you know, last video I talked about I need to start going to physical therapy, so I'll go there starting Wednesday of this week. So today, well, Wednesday of next week. Today is Friday, the Friday the 25th, I want to say. Yeah, Friday the 25th. So it was 11:02 at night. The other day I went and started a Planet Fitness membership because I want to get my ankle back to where it was at, you know, so I could start, driving again fully. Like I could drive now, but once you get back in a higher horsepower car, gas pedal and brake pedal feel totally different. So so with that being said, I might start going to the gym and start trying to walk on the treadmill, start trying to push, do the leg and like leg workouts and everything, so that could have my whole body feeling good. What I was about to say, I might have stopped drinking Monsters and slow down on like the soda and everything. Even though I'm not a big soda person, I drink a lot of ginger ale, so I might have slowed down on that, start drinking water. So yeah, might have just start changing my face could be clearer and everything. The physical therapy, I'm supposed to go 2 to 3 times a week for 6 weeks. I was trying to get a car by November. I don't know if that's still gonna be the plan. I'm trying, hopefully. Start working probably in like 2 weeks. I'll probably start working again, film me another gig. So physical therapy, if I could do it in the morning or at night, it'd be better. That way I could work more, stack my bread faster. But we'll just see how it is. I'll let y'all know the updates on about every little thing that's going on. So, but shout out to y'all. We had like 319 subscribers on the road to 1K. Yeah, man, might have started going to the gym at night. Probably that's probably the best time I can go, and just go from there. And just hopefully I can get my body and everything back to where it's at. Might have slowed down on the Monsters. Hopefully I can stop drinking them and just go from there. But yeah, so the car situation, I'm looking at Daytona 392s or another Scat. If I can't find them in the colors I want or the specs I want, I'm probably just gonna go Jeep. Yeah, and probably give me like a daily or something. That's the way I want to go. I'm trying to make YouTube like, not full, you could say full time, I guess. If I make YouTube, if I start making bread on YouTube, it's gonna be a wrap. I'm putting out bangers every day, so I'll just let y'all know about that. But the car situation, I'm looking for something 392 with the same kind of specs I had on my Scat. Yeah, man, that's just really it. That's what I really want. I want another charger. So if I can't find a charger in the color I want and in the specs I want, I'm not getting that. It's 2 colors I want. So yeah, man, that's just really it about that. So I guess I'll just pick this up when I get on the road. The gym is 42 minutes away. It's bad because I want to go at night, and the ones that was around here that's normally 24 hours are not 24 hours anymore, so I gotta drive a little distance, even though I don't mind. So clear my head driving and everything. Wait, man, yeah, see the hair is back black. So I'll pick this up when I get on the road. Probably gotta stop and get something to drink and stuff. So I'll pick this up when I stop again. So like, comment, subscribe if you haven't already. Follow me on Instagram at It's Just Mary, as to say on the shirt. That's really it. Sponsored by Light Insurance, so all the discount codes and everything will be in the description below. But yeah, I'll pick this up when I get halfway there or when I stop. So I put my hoodie on, just got here, got me water, got me a Fiji water on Fitness. Right there, 24/7. I'm mad the ones around my way not 24 hours no more. Made me mad, but it is what it is. I gotta buy me some more AirPods too. Oh, I'm leaving it in the video too. So it's 11:59. Probably come out here like 1 in the morning. We'll see. Try and get like an hour in there each day, and then go from there. But I pick this up when I leave. Yes, sir. Workout complete. It's 1 a.m. So workout was cool. I did what I do. I was on the treadmill for like 25 minutes or more, something like that. I got a picture of it. I was on the treadmill for 25 minutes. So I wasn't walking that fast because I didn't want to overdo it, because I still got to drive home and everything. So I was walking at like 2.5 miles an hour. I think that's normal speed. Did that for like 25 minutes. Then I got on a little bike, John, where you pedal. I did that for like 20 something minutes. I forgot to take a picture of it because I was listening to music and looking at my phone, so I didn't look at the John when it stopped. So I was probably on there for like 27 minutes or something like that. Then I walked around here, and then just came out, and it's 1 a.m. now. So now I'm about to be on my way home, take a shower. My cousin's birthday tomorrow. Well, his little birthday cookout tomorrow. I think his actual birthday like Monday. So yeah, it was cool for the most part. Ankle feeling better. I gotta give me one of them little stretchy bands so I can put it around my foot and just stretch my foot back and forth. Yeah, so I'm gonna just start doing hair. I don't know if I want to gel my hair every day, but I don't know. It ain't a problem, but I don't know what I want to do yet. So yeah, pretty much that's really it. It's really social distancing in there. Like they got it's one machine, then there's 2 blocked off, then there's another one, then there's 2 blocked off. So I mean, it's like every other machine, so it's good. Look, social distancing, and they got the little paper towels and the little spray where you can wipe it down when you're done. Then I just use the hand sanitizer and everything in the car. So that's really it, man. Like, comment, subscribe. I think this video is over. I don't know what my title with. I could drive again. Technically, I could drive again. Ankle's doing better. She was surprised how I'm healing. She was surprised how fast I was healing. I mean, it's in the blood. It's in the blood. Gotta heal fast. Gotta conquer what's. I mean, so I'm coming back for what's mine. I'm coming back for my car. Coming back for a greater life. Hopefully this YouTube stuff work out. If not, I'm still gonna make videos. I mean, I was doing videos for like a year now, but I gotta be more consistent. So probably when I get in a house, I'm going to make edit videos. I gotta buy me another MacBook too. So I do all this off my phone. My other phone I had broke. So I mean, then Apple is just like appointments. I try to schedule an appointment for today. That shit said next Friday. I don't know what I'm gonna be doing next Friday, and I don't want to book it and miss it. So I mean, I don't know. I might just buy me another one. Waiting for the 12 to come out, or whatever is coming out. I'm waiting for that to come out. That's what I'm waiting for. But I don't know. But it's like I was a long rant. So like, comment, subscribe, share the video, tell a friend and tell a friend and tell another friend. Share the video. We going up from here. Consistent this time. I know I keep saying that shit, but I'm going to be consistent, and I don't care if I curse and miss my stuff. I don't care. You watch it, you don't. I like to be raw, uncut. Like, I hate people that just, I mean, off of like a script and everything. I'm off the script. That's off the top of my head. That's why I keep looking every other word but here. That's me. So yeah, I'm gonna go home, take a shower, edit videos. I got 2 track days. The video that I did yesterday and the video this today. I don't know if I'm gonna vlog tomorrow. I might. I don't know. My family I don't know if my family used to having cameras everywhere, and you know, it might be music, so I don't want to get copyrighted. I might bring my camera. I might. You gotta get used to it. So fuck it. Vlog is coming tomorrow as well. Let's get it. I'm out of here.